good morning. Today is Saturday. It is the Saturday before Valentine's Day. You guys would have seen by now the setup that I did last night for my aunt, and it turned out so pretty. But today I am doing just a self-care Saturday. I said I wasn't going to be working on anything major, no projects around the house. I'm just going to take today, as a matter of fact, the entire weekend to just chill out. So I did go ahead on and go to the grocery store. So I got a lot of groceries in the back there. I went and picked up some balloons that you guys see up there from the dollar store. They're really pretty and pink. Those are for Jalen, who I will be getting back tomorrow evening. But you know, hey, mama's gonna take advantage of it and use those balloons to take some pictures in the morning. So I'm gonna post a picture for Valentine's Day, you know, get all cuted up, because I want to start getting back to where I used to just do my makeup and stuff for no reason on the weekend, just for the fun of it. And being in quarantine, it just kind of has me rocking sweatshirts, t-shirts, and tights all the time. So I'm gonna get cuted up and be girly. So yeah, I'm gonna set up a little display when we get back to the house, and I'll show y'all that in this video, of course. But that's pretty much it. Later on today, what do I have planned? Nothing. I'm gonna catch up on my reality TV shows, because I need to watch Love and Marriage Huntsville and The Bell Collective that came on last night. Let me know if y'all like The Bell Collective. It's close to home, because if you've been with me for a long time, you guys know that I am from Mississippi. So I know that area. My college, Alcorn, plays I don't think we're playing them anymore this year. My mom was telling me, but we've always played Jackson State University as our biggest rival school for Capital City Classic. And so I'm very familiar with Jackson, Mississippi. It's literally right in my backyard. I have to pass through there every time I go home. So yeah, it's just dope to see Mississippi on reality TV on a map. And of course, like all reality TV shows, they want to add a little bit of drama in there, because it just wouldn't be a reality TV show without drama, right? But all in all, I do find it interesting, and I do actually like the show. So if y'all have been watching that, it comes on Friday nights. Love and Marriage Huntsville comes on Saturdays. Y'all don't even want me to start talking to you guys about Martell and his gaslighting with Melody. Like, he is out of control. I think now reality is starting to hit that, wow, she's really like gone this time, and he cannot handle it. So every opportunity he gets, I feel like he wants to unravel her, make her react a certain type of way, just to make himself feel better, you know. So if she can play like this nonchalant, I don't care role, it would really get under his skin. But anyway, if y'all watch those shows, let me know down below. Tell me what y'all thoughts are. But yeah, I just ordered me some wings and a Philly. I'm gonna take the Philly out the bread, put it in my low carb wrap. So that's my lunch or dinner. I think I told y'all good morning. It is not morning anymore. It is surely afternoon. I'm tripping. But anyway, that's gonna be my lunch. But yeah, later on today, that's what I plan on doing. So y'all gonna see me set this cute little Valentine's Day setup up for myself and my homegirl. My homegirl's gonna come over tomorrow for Galentines. So I think we're supposed to be cooking like some seafood and stuff, because she's doing keto too. So we're trying to keep it all in the low carb situation this weekend, even though it is Valentine's Day. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. It is early Sunday morning. I'm about to do my makeup. Psych, in a perfect world, guys. I wish it was that easy. So I'm taking the ponytail down so that I can put it into a braid like what I have right here. But what's dope is I was looking at the growth since quarantine. Yeah. But I'm still, when I go get it flat ironed, which I really want to do soon, I'm going to still let them take off about like 3 inches, because I like my bob. I really do like my bob. But I do see, like, it's kinky right now, but I do like the growth, my new growth. And your girl is a gray girl. And I have not dyed my hair in months. So The gray is strong. All right, y'all. This is the Valentine's Day look. I like it. I rocks with it. All right, so now I'm gonna put my clothes on and go downstairs, and I'll show y'all my little setup. Really small, simple, cutesy for Valentine's Day. I am all ready, y'all. This is my Valentine's Day hair, makeup, outfit. Loving the new unit. Short on one side, long on the other. Makeup is on point. Let's go. This is what I started with. My bling wine glasses that I bought at Home Goods. Of course, my tray. I'm gonna put some strawberries in there. This wine, I just love it for the bottle. It's not the best tasting wine, but the bottle's pretty. So I do keep it just whenever I want to like do some type of styling. And these are the balloons that y'all saw in the car on yesterday. Next to it, my coffee station over there is not together, so don't even pay attention to that. So that's pretty much the background for the picture. So with that being said, let me I want to add some flowers to this space, so let me do that. I wanted to create a reels for my Instagram, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't even think y'all can see me. Can you see me? So these are some chocolate covered strawberries, and I wanted to create a reels, but I just don't feel like I have time to do all that. Well, I have time. I just, when it's filming for YouTube, creating a reel for Instagram, it's just all a lot. So anyway, I'm gonna put these in my cute little crystal case right here. Crystal case. Crystal. I'm gonna put these in my cute little crystal cake stand. I don't know, my brain is just flipped on me. And then take some photos. Isn't it cute? It is so cute. These balloons that they had at the Dollar Tree this year was really cute. So okay guys, so I just finished taking a lot of pictures. It's a lot when you're your own videographer, photographer, editor, etc. But I've been having fun with it. My little setup here, if you follow me on Instagram, then this is the setup back here that you guys saw in my Valentine's Day picture. It is Galentine's Day, so my girl Monica is coming over. Jalen isn't ready to come home yet, so I'll get her later. But my homegirl is coming over. We're about to cook up some keto dishes, mainly seafood. She likes salmon, I like chicken. I don't eat fish, but we're gonna cook some of that. I know she did some prep cooking last night. And what else? Yeah, cook and watch a little TV, reality TV, you know, Galentine's Day. I got my glass of wine over there. I don't know if I'm gonna drink it or not because it's gonna knock me out of my ketosis, but it made for a good prop. But I'm probably gonna try to stay strong and not have any today. But I am gonna eat a chocolate covered strawberry. That's on fact. But that's not, it's not like a lot of carbs in that, so that's cool. Yeah. I'm gonna take, I have one more shot that I'm about to get in one of the t-shirts. And also, oh, my friend, she does have a YouTube channel. It's The Real Mo Denise. She posts like a lot of keto recipes and stuff like that on her channel now. So head over, support her. And I need to charge my camera. Mo Denise has arrived. Isn't her makeup so pretty? She looks so cute.
You stupid. Okay.
So she's got these outfits. She's got a purple one, black dress, and this is my favorite. I love the color. It's a sweater dress.
And our Old Faithfuls.
And her booties. And then I love these. So I think she should wear these with this shirt first. Or this dress to take her first set of pictures. So we're gonna do some duo shots. I've been taking pictures since early this morning, so my makeup is actually half gone, but I'm gonna go and redo myself a little bit. But mostly it's about her taking her pictures now. So, okay, let's get ready.
Okay. So.
Oh, let me show you what she made. I told them about your YouTube channel, and I told them that you be cooking us keto snacks. This is our keto cheesecake. She made this. It looks really good, so I can't wait to dig into that because we ain't been eating those sweets all year.
It's only February.
And then she made some asparagus, and of course we have our Cool Whip strawberries. She got non-dairy almond milk whipped cream.
That tastes good. It actually tastes really good. It does. You might want to taste it first.
I was talking about it last night because I'm like, who does that? Ooh, she got some stuffed salmon. I'm gonna stuff my chicken because y'all know I don't eat fish, but it looks good. So let me go grab Alexa so we can have some music. Oh, that's the pot set that my mom got me.
But why are they still in the box? That was December 25th.
Because I have not taken them out to organize them and put them nowhere yet. Yeah, I didn't even show you. Okay, so my mom bought me this. Who is this? Rachel Ray pot set, right? I have not. We started using some of the pots, but I have not taken them out because I need to organize my cabinet so that I can have space. I don't have space. I guess I should show y'all what one really looks like. I don't know, y'all. They all up in here. We'll do that later. I just seasoned my chicken with all of these seasonings that you see here all over the place. Monica brought this stuffed crab meat over here. So I'm gonna stick some in the inside because it's supposed to be stuffed. What's this called? Stuffed chicken crab and stuffed salmon crab?
It's stuffed salmon with crab meat and stuff.
So I just put a little bit in there, not a whole lot. All right. Here it is. Lump swimming crab meat is what it's called.
Lump crab meat, and I made a stuffing out of it.
Oh, so the stuffing is what you got in the thing. Okay. And I'm gonna close it back up. Ooh, it looks so good. Hey. Looks really good. Alright, and that's my chicken, y'all. I'm not gonna put any more seasoning on it because I don't want it to be too salty. So since I don't eat as much as I used to, this one piece of chicken with the crab meat in it is gonna be enough for me. So I'm gonna put this in the oven while we finish taking pictures, and then hopefully when we're done, we can eat. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I should put this in a Pyrex bowl.
Alright, you put a little olive oil in there or something?
I put it in foil.
But you put a little olive oil in there.
Why?
Because it'll make it juicier.
Alright, you the same one who messed up them brownies.
Okay.
I'm gonna spray it with regular oil.
Well, you spray with regular oil.
Ready? Yeah, I actually like that one better than the pearls, which I think I told you that, but you didn't
But the
listen.
pearls give it the antique look, like the old school vibe.
I thought we in 2021, so we in.
Photo shoot, take 2.
So I am just now giving Jalen I am just now giving Monica her Christmas present, even though I've seen her like so many times since Christmas. Okay, so open it.
I see it. The wallpaper is purple.
And it's purple.
We were just talking about this though.
I know.
About to buy it.
Exactly.
It was out of purple. That's the only reason why I didn't get it. How'd you find it in purple?
Because I have special connections like that with myself.
so cute. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a little purple waffle maker. Super cute.
Oh, of course.
The wine opener. She
Even
sent
though-
that on her wish list.
Even though we've been buying twist caps, like, can we get out of twist caps?
That's why I be buying the Cali Red and the other one.
Oh, you know I use this. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, those are from my mom, and one more thing. So that right there is from me and Jalen, and then those.
Girl power, y'all know I love some tight shade.
Yeah, so that's from my mama.
Thanks, Granny.
All right. I am going to pick up Jalen now. She called and she's ready to come home. So, you know, she's always ready to come home when it's time to eat.
And I'm gonna get in the kitchen and finish cooking our Galentine's dinner.
Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna go in my dress and pick up my kid.
Oh, she coming home just in time for the food, huh?
Right. We getting ready to chow down. This is Jalen's little Valentines. Some candy. I found this cute little sandwich maker here, and it's in the teal green color because she's at home, you know, virtual learning, so she can make little sandwiches during the day. My stuffed chicken and crab cake came out really cute, and it looks so good. Asparagus is cooking. This is a sauce that Monica made. I don't know what's in it, but it's nice, and it's got some crab claws. And then this is her stuffed crab salmon. It looks so good. It looks so fancy. Which one is mine? Oh, it looks so fancy. Whoop whoop.
We're supposed to be watching our show.
Oh yeah, because I want you to catch up. This is good.
And every time Martell Holt does something, Melanie, she runs social media and put my side there. But I haven't done that.
All right, y'all. So we are wrapping up Galentine's Day by watching Love and Marriage Huntsville. Mo is catching up. Jalen made it home. I'm gonna say Happy Valentine's Day. So we are, let's see, watching Love and Marriage Huntsville.
So I'm so glad to have her sweet.
Yeah, I know I was talking to y'all about that earlier. So again, let me know down below what y'all thoughts are about this show. But I hope everybody had a great weekend. I did. It was really nice. So yeah, holla back.
You should be getting something for my attorney because I'm asking for full custody.
Bye y'all.